Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off mentions of your username on your Reddit. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Reddit app. You will just go up here and this is picture on app. Then this is window show for you like this, and you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here like you say, and you just click here on account settings for you. Then you come to your account settings here in this window, and you just click here on manage notifications. Then you come to notifications window here in this window. Then you just come here to mentions of username that you just click here on this is mark here, and like you say this is color it's gone. That's main mentions of your username is turned off now, so that's on now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you in next video.